Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our lecture topic is key features of mathematical economics. So let's move next slide to explore what are the key features of mathematical economics. So first, quantitative analysis. It emphasizes the use of numbers and equations to describe and analyze economic phenomena, making theories more precious. This is all about quantitative analysis, which consists numbers and equations. Optimization. Mathematical economics often deals with optimization problems where economic agents such as individuals, firms, governments are assumed to minimize or maximize some objectives like utility, profit, or cost under given constraints. Optimization, this is the most important issue in economics. Every producer want to maximum profit at low cost, and every consumer want to more satisfaction at low cost. So this is all about producer and consumer uh, optimization purpose. So in mathematical economics, this is calculate or analyzes under a given constraints. Equilibrium models. This is the most important features in economics. Many mathematical models focus on finding equilibrium conditions where supply equal to demand in markets, or when a system is in a steady state such as Nash equilibrium or market equilibrium. Every economic calculation or finding work on to create this condition, because this is the stable condition. No any cry in this condition, because if demand equal to supply, it means consumer happy and producer also will be happy. So this is the suitable condition for the government, because no cry received by the producer as well as consumer. Use of functions and derivatives. Economic relationships are expressed using functions such as production functions and utility functions. Derivatives are widely used to find rates of change, marginal analysis, and optimal solution. This is two features. First one is the function and second one is the derivative. So economic relationships are always expressed in a function such as production function and utility function and so many more. And derivative are used for the change within the time period, such as marginal analysis and optimal solutions. Game theory. This is the most important feature for the mathematical economics. Mathematical economics include models of strategic interaction where decisions of agent affect each other. This type of situation, game theory helps in analyzing competitive situation and predicting outcomes. So game theory will give us predicting outcomes to solve this type of situation whenever create. Comparative statistics. It examines how changes in external parameter like policy changes or price shifts affect the equilibrium state of an economic model. So this all about comparative statics. Dynamic models. Many models consider how economies evolve over time using differential or difference equilibrium to analyze growth, inflation, or investment dynamics. So this is most important and as well as easy. Theoretical appreciation. The use of mathematical allows economists to formulate clear, precise statements and hypotheses, removing ambiguities often present in verbal economic analysis. This we can say this is the hypothesis which give us by the researcher in term theoretical precisions. It formulate clear, precise statement and hypothesis, removing ambiguities often present in verbal economic analysis. So we can give us in the theory as well as in the numbers. Econometrics application. It bridge with econometrics where mathematical models are used to statistically estimate economic relationships and validate theoretical models using data. Econometric application, this is the bridge between mathematical models and statistics, estimate economic relationship and validate theories model using the data. Linear programming and input output analysis. This is the most important feature for the mathematical economics. Mathematical economics include tools like linear programming, which help is solving resource allocation problems, and input output models to analyze interdependencies between sectors of an economy. Probabilistic models in area like decision theory. Economics use probability and statistics to model uncertainty in economic decision such as investment, risk or market behavior under uncertainty. So this is all about economic mathematical features, most important mathematical features. So hopefully this video is fruitful for you. If you have any question, please ask in the comment box. So please, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon for the future notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.